Magandang hapon po ng July 29, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng July 29, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, July 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. See you again later for 9pm draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 29, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 132.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 18.5 million pesos for Monday, July 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for July 29, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.